damn it. Can't believe this happened again. Son of a bitch. Are you sure about this?
Yes, dude. Sean DeMont is an asshole. He stole our bikes and he stole our identity.
I can't believe he's getting away with this, man.
You know what? We gotta do what we should have done 30 years ago.
Yes, you're right.
You ready?
Yeah, Sean DeMont, that prick.
Son of a
That
bitch.
goddamn prick.
Yo, I'm gonna steal my dad's vape pen. I know where he hides that shit.
我々が手のすぐのそのもの